Hello, my name is Laura Castillo. The date is Monday, actually, January 15, 2018. I do apologize for the late submission. I have an on-call job and I was called into work and came out a little late. But that's neither here nor there. Today's video is going to be discussing the microscope and some of the structures on the microscope, as well as how to focus the slide and getting familiar with that procedure for future labs. So let's go ahead and start with the microscope, which I do have right over here. So now I'll just point this way. There we go. This is the lovely microscope. Back a little bit. There we go. And so here's the microscope. A couple of the main structures on here. This is the eyepiece. This is the coarse focus knob. This right here is the fine focus knob. We have these two other knobs, the transverse and the longitudinal knobs. They move the slide forward, backward, and left to right. This is the stage. Oh, these pretty important. These are the power lenses. This little green one is actually the scanning lens. This is the one that I learned that I like to start with to focus on the specimen, and then start at the top, and I like to move down until I find it and then focus it, and then move over to the other stronger lenses. That's one of my little things I like to do. And then down here, this is the power source, which I got confused on at first. That was a little bit of a challenge because I thought this was supposed to go underneath the mirror, but no, it just has to reflect off the mirror. And as you can see, the mirror is reflecting off and goes directly into the microscope, and you can just see perfectly there. And this is, of course, just the base of that. And so that's the microscope. So one thing that I did want to mention is that I did have some trouble with some of the prepared slides. In fact, I actually didn't have prepared slides because they did not come in my lab pack kit. So unfortunately, I was not able to do that part of the lab, except for one part. I decided that for the letter E part to make my own slide out of the blank slides that we have. So I did go ahead and do that. So I do want to just show that here for reference a little bit. Let me just angle this downward. Oh, these are some of my other supplies that I used. But let's see. This one here. It's slipping. Well, the top part fell off. But that is my little tiny letter E that I used. So you will see this in my lab report. Unfortunately, like I said, I did try to improvise on the other lab slides. So hopefully those are accepted. Aside from that, I did really enjoy this lab. I really wish I had access to those other slides. The swabbing of the cheek and the teeth, the gum dental tartar was very interesting, and I look forward to doing more labs and seeing what other microorganisms we find. Thank you so much.